Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to invite someone to a Discord server. So here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to invite someone to a Discord server. The first thing you like to do is to log in to the Discord web app. So open your browser and go to Desktop web app and log in with your email and password if prompted. So once you're logged in, on the left navigation panel, go ahead and find the server you want to invite someone. So let's say this is the server, TIFIS, and this is the server that I want to invite someone. So click on the server icon from the left navigation panel to open it. I think I'm going to just open this one. So once you're in your server, click the server name at the top of the channel list and click on this three dots menu icon, this drop down icon right next to the channel name, and to open a drop down menu. Now from this drop down menu, you're going to see an option that says invite people. So click on invite people, and this will open the invite window. So you'll be presented with different ways to invite people. So the first is to copy the link. So you can click on this copy link button to copy the link, where you can now share this link with anyone you want to invite to the server. Or you can just directly send the invite to friends within Discord by typing their username here. So type in their username in the send invite field and click send invite. Or your friends are even going to be displayed here. So go ahead and click on invite and they'll be sent the invite. Now, if you want to invite someone from other platforms like Twitter and Facebook, you can just click the respective icons to send the invite through other platforms. Now, there are no other platforms displayed here, but then if you have other platforms displayed, you can just use any of those icons. Now, in the invite window, you can set an expiration date or limit for the invite link. For example, let's go ahead and click on the invite window again, invite people, and now you see invite link. So click on this edit invite link. And once you click on that, here you have expire after. So select choose how long the invite link will remain active from the drop down menu. The next is the max users. Okay. The max number of users. So set a limit on how many people the link can be used. On how many times rather the link can be used. So if no limits, just choose no limits. If there are limits, just go ahead and use any of the limits. Now, after adjusting the link settings, you can just click on generate a new link to apply the changes. And once you have your preferred invite method and settings, send the invite link to the person you wish to invite. If using the copy link method, you can paste the link directly into a message, email, or any other platform. If you don't have permission to invite people to the server, you may need to ask an admin to either grant you the create instant invite permission or to send the invite on your behalf. The invite link might be restricted or limited based on the server settings. So if the server has an invite link expiration, ensure to send the invite link before it expires. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.